Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will tell you how to make a round shape photo. On CV we need round shape photo. Okay, first open Word, go in insert, select picture. I will select picture randomly. You will choose picture you want. Okay, this picture I choose. I will decrease this. Okay, now click on this picture. You see, go on the crop, click on this crop to shape. Here you see the option this and go on oval button. Okay, when you click on this you see that your photo is on round shape. Thanks for watching.